Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to be asking ourselves, is it possible to withdraw trial cash from Palmpay? And then we shall see whether it's possible. So if I come to my AI overview over here, it says, yes, it's possible to withdraw your trial cash from your Palmpay. However, you need to first complete a few tasks that you're given to withdraw this cash. Once you've accumulated enough trial cash, you can then redeem it by clicking on the claim trial cash button. Then you'll be seeing the redeem to cash and then use your money. So guys, this literally means you can't withdraw this trial cash from Palmpay unless you've finished the task they give you guys. So they have a lot of tasks they give, and to get this money you need to first complete these tasks. Otherwise, if you don't complete these tasks, trust me, you won't be able to withdraw that cash. Thanks for watching guys. I hope this video was helpful. If so, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, we shall meet once again.